So I'll let you guys figure that one out. This is, after all, a family cruise. So clearly naming things correctly and spelling things correctly aren't two of them.
Gardens.
There we go, folks, we got a nice rainbow out of this one as well.
Oh, red. Whoa! I like it.
I think they killed off something like 2 million of them in about 50 years, so they're pretty good at their jobs. But since 1956, these gunners have been a protected species, and their numbers have skyrocketed since then. In fact, Mother Nature's been working so hard that in some places these guys are actually considered a pest. Not around here though, we still have a lot of time for them. So all of these seals that you're going to see ahead of us are juvenile or adolescent males. These guys aren't quite fully grown, and they're all men down here. It's a bit of a bachelor's pad here in Milford Sound. See, they've actually come from their breeding colony, which is about 10 miles north of us, a place called Yates's Point, but they've been kicked out by the dominant bull seal. He's a wee bit jealous of their youthful good looks and charm, and he reckons they're going to try and steal his girlfriends. It's a pretty well-founded belief too, because after 4 or 5 years of maturing down here, they will actually head back to the main breeding colony, take on that dominant bull seal for his position in the colony and also his harem of girlfriends. Managed to win that fight, and they can win up to 14 girls at once. Sounds pretty good, eh guys? 14 girlfriends? Sounds pretty good until you realise that these girls are actually all pregnant for about 360 days a year. So imagine that. 14 grumpy pregnant girlfriends. Doesn't sound like so much fun now, does it? Well, these boys will certainly have their flippers full then, but for now it's the good life. Lying around on the rocks, protected species in the marine reserve, they've got not much to do for up to 11 minutes at a time, and eat up to half their own body weight in squid, fish and octopus. It's no wonder they're pretty lazy during the... See a few of them actually on that little rock to the right of the main one having a bit of a scuffle, practicing to take on that bull seal.